Hello everyone, welcome back to Tricky Math. Today in this session, let us discuss about types of curves. Before going to learn types of curves, first we have to know what is a curve. A curve is a line that is drawn without lifting a pen. Say, for example, here I started drawing in a line with a sketch like this, and I ended here. This is called a curve. I started here and I ended here. It is a curve. Without lifting my sketch, I have drawn this curve. Okay, na? It is a curve. We see one more example. Here I am drawing one more curve without lifting my sketch. Yes, I have drawn one more curve without lifting my sketch. It is also a curve. What is the difference between first curve and second curve? The difference here, see, starting point and ending point is different. In second curve, starting point and ending point are same. Starting and ending points are different. Now it is open curve. If a curve whose ends are joined, such types of curves are called closed curves. First one is open curve, second one is closed curve. Now let us see more curves. Without lifting my sketch, I have drawn this one. Without lifting my sketch, I have drawn this one. Without lifting my sketch, I have drawn this one. See, all of these shapes are curves only. I have drawn without lifting my sketch. I have drawn these curves. First, second, third, fourth one, and fifth one. All are curves. All these shapes without lifting my sketch, I drew these shapes. Here we can see third one and fourth one. Third curve and fourth curves are different from other curves. See, third and fourth are different from first, second and fifth. What is the difference here? The difference is, see children, here while I am drawing third curve, while drawing this curve, it crosses. See here, it is crossing. It crosses itself. While drawing fourth one also, it crosses itself. Here it is crosses. It is crossing. Okay, now while drawing fourth curve also, it is crossing. So while drawing third and fourth curves, the curves are crosses itself. But while drawing first, second and fifth one, these curves are doesn't crosses itself. So while drawing curves, first curve, it doesn't cross itself. It is called not a simple. It is called a simple curve. Second one is also, see, while drawing second one, it doesn't cross itself. It is also simple curve. While drawing fifth one also, the curve doesn't crosses itself. Fifth one also simple curve. But while drawing third and fourth, it crosses itself. So these curves are called not simple curves. See, above examples, let us draw here open curves, closed curves, simple, not simple. From above, see, first one is open curve. Now starting point and ending point are different. First one is open curve. Okay, na? Curves whose ends do not meet, it is closed figure. Now coming to third one, it is also open curve. Starting point and ending point are different. They do not meet. and fifth one is also even straight line is also open curve. Now coming to closed curves. Closed curves. If a curve whose ends are joined, such curves are called closed curves. Second one, closed. Closed curve. And fourth one is also closed curve. It is also closed curve. Now simple curves. If a curve doesn't cross itself, such types of curves are called simple curves. See above 5, from above 5, first one is simple curve. While drawing first curve, it doesn't cross itself. While drawing second one also, while drawing second one, the curve doesn't cross itself. It is also simple curve. While drawing fifth one, it doesn't cross itself. It is a simple curve. Now not simple curves. A curve crosses itself. Such curves are called not simple curves. From above examples, let us draw which are not simple curves. Not simple means while drawing a curve which crosses itself. See, while drawing this curve, it crosses itself. It is a not simple curve. Now while drawing fourth one also, it crosses itself. Here it is crossing na, so it is also a not simple curve. See, in chart wise, it is a curve. Curves are two types, open curve, closed curve. See, it is open, it is closed. Curves are two types, open curve, closed curve. In open, there are two types, simple open, not simple open. Simple open, while drawing this curve, it doesn't crosses. Not simple open, see here, while drawing this curve, it crosses itself. Starting point and ending point are different. It is open, it is not a simple open. Now in closed curves also there are two types, simple closed, not simple closed. It is simple closed. Starting point, ending points are same, but it doesn't crosses itself. So it is simple closed. Not simple closed. It is closed curve, but while drawing this figure, it crosses itself. So it is not a simple closed. I hope you understand this class. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.